Hey, it's me, your brain. You know that person who ghosts you but you still text them? Yeah, I made you do that.
But why?
Confused? Let me show you what I'm doing behind the scenes. So look, when they reply with just one hey after ignoring you for hours,
Yeah.
boom, I hit you with dopamine. Feels good, right?
Uh-huh.
It's called intermittent reward. I only give you hits sometimes, so you never know when it's coming. That keeps you hooked.
You've got to be kidding.
You don't love them. You love the chemical hit I'm giving you.
No way.
But uh-oh, they ghost again. Now I light up your anterior cingulate cortex. That's your pain center.
Sorry, what? Pain center?
Yes, I literally made you feel like you've been physically hurt. Rejection equals pain. That's why you spiral. That's why you check your phone 73 times. Let's go back a bit. Remember when you had to earn love growing up? Stay quiet to be accepted. Work hard to feel seen.
Sure. Good times.
I watched all that. And I learned love is earned. It's not safe. It's survival.
I think you got it wrong.
So now when someone gives you crumbs, I think, oh hey, this feels familiar. Let's go with that.
Actually, you are not supposed to do that. But anyway.
You're not broken. I just built a loop based on your past.
Is that really true?
The more unavailable they are, the more I panic. And the more I think, if we can just win them over, it'll all be okay.
Hey, come on now.
But hey, good news, I can change. Here's how you help me out.
Okay, let's do this.
Call me out. Say it. I'm addicted to unpredictability. Boom. Pattern exposed. Sit in silence. Let the urge rise. Don't act on it. I'll panic for a bit. Then I'll calm down. Give me safe dopamine. Laugh with a friend, take a walk, do something creative. I'll start associating safety with reward. Let me relearn love. Talk to people who show up, who are boringly consistent. I'll stop craving chaos. So yeah, that person, they're not magic. I just built a reaction to their distance. But now you're aware. And when you choose better, I'll rewire for better. I'm your brain. I want you to feel safe. Let's stop chasing people who make me panic. Comment brain if you're ready to rewire. Tag someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe. Let's build a brain that chooses peace over chaos. So, peace out. Until next time. Bye.